This is TomsAviation, and we're going to experience iFLY over there. So let's go. We have arrived at iFLY. Let's go see what it's all about. So tell me a little bit more about the check-in process.
So our tunnel is about 14 feet in diameter. It goes up about 50 feet all the way. First time here, we're going to be teaching the body position.
Now I'm ready to jump into my jumpsuit. Got my hair braided.
Big smile at the camera. So this right here is our driver's booth. This is where we're actually controlling the wind speed. We're also going to be controlling the camera. There you go, there you go, there you go.
Huh?
So how'd it feel?
It felt awesome. I came to iFLY. It was great.
Nice. All right, Marlene, you did it. Your very own flight certificate. Woo, yay. Awesome job. Awesome job.
Thank you. So how else do you learn how to fly?
Okay, well, we take you to flight school, so come on. Cool. So this is our classroom. So we take you inside here first, and we'll teach you the body position as well as some hand signals that we want you to know. You're not going to be spending too much time in here. I'd say about 7 or 8 minutes for the classroom. And then this is where you can really get to know your instructor, and your instructor can learn about your flyers as well. Maybe you're celebrating for a birthday, anniversary, whatever. This is a time where we really get to connect with our flyers.
And what do we have right here?
Oh, okay. So this is where you can practice your flying position. Would you like to demonstrate, or would you like me to do it? I know you're going to be flying. You're going to be in here anyways, as well. Here, why don't I do this? How about I show you first?
Yes.
So this is the body position, ideally, that I want you to try to get. So you're going to be lying on your belly. You're going to have your chin up. We have these various hand signals that we're going to want you to know before you get inside the tunnel. They're pretty easy. Legs straight, legs bent, chin up, and relax. Relax and smile. Yeah. So when we're in our flying position, we want to have our chin up. We want to have a nice arch in our back. Our feet are going to be about shoulder distance apart. Our hands are going to be about at eye level like this. So ideally, this is the position that I want you to get in. Of course, when we're inside the tunnel, I'm going to be making adjustments. I'm either going to be adjusting your hands, which you can see, or I'll be showing you those hand signals for the rest of your body as well. So pretty neat stuff. Okay, so we have about 5 hand signals that we want you to know before you get inside the tunnel. They're pretty easy. This one right here means legs straight, so when you see this, just kind of slowly straighten out your legs. This means legs bent, same thing, just going backwards, nice and slow. Chin up, the reason we want you to keep your chin up, that way you can see your surroundings. It also makes your pictures and videos look really cool. And then this last one, it means relax. So if you see this, it's just a reminder to take a deep breath and just kind of relax. And
loosen it out.
Yeah, loosen it out. And one last one, thumbs up. It means you're doing a really good job. Just keep going.